Earth is home to millions of incredible creatures, but some animals look so strange that if you saw them on another planet, you would believe they were aliens. From creatures with transparent bodies to animals that seem impossible to exist, these are 10 animals that look like they were created by aliens. This animal looks like it came straight out of a cartoon, but it's a real creature found in Mexico. Meet the axolotl. Unlike other amphibians, this unique salamander never grows up. It keeps its juvenile features, like its gills, its entire life. Even crazier? They have real-life superpowers. An axolotl can completely regrow its lost limbs, tail, and even parts of its heart and brain. But this next creature looks even less like something from Earth. The sea sheep. This tiny ocean creature looks like a Pokémon, but it's actually alive. Found in the coastal waters of Asia, this adorable creature looks exactly like a tiny, glowing green sheep grazing underwater. But here is its real superpower. It steals energy from the sun. By eating algae, it absorbs the plant cells to photosynthesize, just like a leaf. Mantis shrimp. This animal has one of the most powerful punches in nature. Its punch is faster than a speeding bullet. It strikes with the force of a caliber rifle, easily shattering crab shells and even aquarium glass. But its real superpower is its vision. They have some of the most advanced eyesight on Earth, with 16 color receptors compared to our 3. This allows them to see types of light humans cannot, like ultraviolet and polarized light, making the ocean a psychedelic masterpiece. Deep in the ocean lives an octopus that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Meet the Dumbo octopus. This mysterious creature lives thousands of feet deep in the freezing, high-pressure abyss, far deeper than almost any other octopus. Instead of looking terrifying like other deep-sea monsters, it is widely considered one of the cutest deep-sea creatures on Earth. It gets its name from those adorable ear-like fins on its head, which it flaps to gracefully fly through the dark ocean. This next animal looks like a mix between a bat, a monkey, and a nightmare. Meet the bizarre eye. Found only in the dense rainforests of Madagascar, this rare nocturnal primate is famous for its highly unusual anatomy. Its most shocking feature, it has an extremely long, bony middle finger that can rotate a full 360 degrees. It uses this creepy finger, like radar, tapping on tree trunks to find hidden insects, then chewing through the bark to fish out its dinner. This animal looks like evolution took a wrong turn. Meet the prehistoric-looking Saiga antelope. This bizarre creature is famous for its huge, flexible nose that hangs down over its mouth like a mini elephant trunk. But that weird nose is actually a brilliant survival tool. In the dry summer, it acts as a built-in air filter to block out dust. In the freezing winter, it warms up icy air before it hits the lungs, helping the animal perfectly control its body temperature. This shark looks like something designed for a horror movie. Meet the terrifying Goblin Shark. This elusive, deep ocean predator spends its life in total darkness, hunting for prey miles below the surface. Because of this, it is rarely ever seen alive by humans. But its most horrifying feature is how it eats. When it attacks, its entire jaw shoots forward out of its face at lightning speed, trapping prey in a cage of needle-sharp teeth. This microscopic creature might be the toughest animal on Earth. Meet the invincible tardigrade, also known as the water bear. These tiny beasts can survive extreme temperatures, from a freezing negative 328 degrees Fahrenheit up to a boiling 300 degrees. They can even survive deadly blasts of radiation. When things get tough, they enter a state called a ton. They expel almost all water from their bodies and virtually shut down their metabolism completely. In this state, they can survive decades without food or water and have even survived the vacuum of outer space. The Blue Dragon Sea Slug. This tiny ocean creature looks beautiful, but it's not harmless. This gorgeous creature spends its whole life floating upside down. Its bright blue belly faces up to blend in with the ocean surface, hiding it from birds flying above. But don't let its size fool you. It is a fierce predator. It actively hunts highly venomous jellyfish, including the deadly Portuguese man-o'-war. Instead of being hurt by the poison, the blue dragon absorbs and stores the toxins inside its own body, using its prey's venom to deliver a painful sting to anything that touches it. The deepest parts of the ocean are home to a creature that looks like it came from another world. Meet the vampire squid. Its scientific name literally translates to vampire squid from hell, but it isn't a true squid. This ancient creature lives thousands of feet below the surface, thriving in a harsh zone where there is almost zero sunlight. To survive in the pitch-black abyss, it has evolved glowing body parts. It uses these built-in bioluminescent lights to confuse predators and signal to others in the dark. What makes it truly incredible is its ability to survive in extreme environments. It can easily breathe in the oxygen minimum zone, a suffocating depth where almost no other complex marine life can survive. The strangest thing about these creatures is that they aren't from another planet, they're already here on Earth. Which animal do you think looks the most alien? Comment below.